I hope you like fun folds because this is definitely a fun one. I love these pop-up cards. I've done them before. I have several of them on my website and they're so easy and so cute. Now this one is a floral one. I've used the Impressions Abloom stamp set and then the paper that goes with this, this product suite as well. And all of these measurements can be found on my website. You see that I'm doing like a book binding type fold on the front there, and then putting on some of the beautiful designer series paper. Now what I'm doing here is using this daisy stamp to make sunflowers. And so I used two different colors of yellow, a darker one and a lighter one. And that's how you do our two-step stamping. And here I'm showing you where I look on my stamp so that I can line them up perfectly. And see how you can get the little variance of color there if you use two different colors. So that's the matching die. And so I die cut out all of these different sunflowers, and we're just going to make kind of a fun little whimsical bouquet of flowers on the front of the card. There are so many awesome dies in this set, you just can't believe it. And there's also an oval that makes a really cool window. Tons of stuff you can do with that one. So I'm just layering them all on here, gluing some of them straight down and then putting a few on dimensionals to pop them up. And then we'll add leaves all around the edges. Now, the leaves, I had a couple different colors just to give some variance in texture and color. And then so that they also stand out against the green background there. And all I did is just have the flowers, the leaves, and then just a sentiment. It's really simple, but it just pops when you put everything together. Now, I know you can see some adhesive there. I actually messed up, and so I'm going to fix it once I get off. But I wanted to put it there so you could see how the card goes together. So what you do is you tie some ribbon up on the bookbinding part on the top, and then you glue together that bookbinding portion so it stays closed. Now this is the pop-up part. So this is a 6x6 piece of paper, and you fold it in half one way and fold it in half the other way. Then you turn it on a diamond and fold it into a triangle, and that's it. That's all it takes to make this pop-out thing. You just kind of have to manipulate those corners in and look how it folds down into a perfect square. So then we'll glue the square to the inside of the card and then put a little part in there where you can write. It's really small, so you can't say much. And then that's it. That's all it takes. So see, we'll put some adhesive on each side. It's easiest to do one side at a time, and that's how you get it in there perfectly. So I put it on the top there, and then we'll put it on the bottom and close up the card, and it's in the perfect spot. So if you want details, close-up pictures of this and all the measurements, go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and put pop-up in the search bar, and it's all on there for you. Thanks for being here.